used by the deaf community in the Philippines. So through this coming class here, we will show you the basic greetings in FSL. So today, while promoting fun, inclusions, and communications for all, are you ready, children? Yes, teacher! Now let's start with the basic greetings. Wow, it's so much fun to communicate. Can you teach us again with the sound so everyone can learn?
Yes, teacher! Hi! Hello, hello! Good morning! Good noon! Good afternoon! Good evening! Good night!
Wow, amazing! But why is it noisy? Oh, it's the alphabet. What happened?
Teacher, teacher! We ran all the way from A to Z!
That's very far. Can you show us?
Wait! Did we forget something?
You forgot to read. Can you do it again with the sound so everyone can learn?
Yes, teacher! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Wow, amazing. It's nice to learn the alphabet.
Move aside! We are counting! Wow! Too many numbers! We're not finished yet!
Can you go bigger? Thank you for teaching us how to count. Can you do it again with a sound so everyone can learn?
Numbers! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,